Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn how artificial intelligence creates a single concise summary from many documents. This is called multi-document summarization, or MDS. Imagine 5 different news reports about the same football match. We want one short paragraph that tells the whole story without repeating itself. There are 2 main methods. Abstractive summarization highlights the most important sentences. Abstractive summarization understands the meaning and writes a new sentence in its own words. To pick important sentences, the computer often uses a score called TF-IDF. It rewards words that appear often in a document, but not in every document. A typical multi-document summarization pipeline follows 5 steps. First, cleaning the text. Second, finding similar sentences. Third, clustering topics. Fourth, ranking sentences by importance. And fifth, selecting the best sentences without repetition. To check quality, we compare the computer summary to a human summary using our OUGE. The idea is recall how many keywords overlap. If the human summary has 10 keywords and the system has 8 of those, the recall is 8 divided by 10, which is 0.8. Multi-document summarization is hard because of 3 big issues: redundancy, contradictions, and ordering. So to summarize, multi-document summarization combines information from many sources, removes repetition, and delivers a short, clear story. Thank you for watching.